Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a onion and apple pork sausage. Let's start! First, we peel the apple. We need 3 apples. Remove the seeds. Okay. After peeling and removing the seeds, cut it to chunk, and I'm going to chop it with my electric chopper. So it doesn't matter how you chop this because the chopper will do it. That's it. It's a bit chunky, just like that. I'll put in here. Next is the onion, 1 big onion. So it doesn't matter how you chop it because we're going to blend this in a chopper anyway. 1 big onions, and this is parsley. Dump in here and then blend it again just until it, just like this. Then pour in here, combine with the apples, add the 500 grams of ground pork, half a kilo of ground pork, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of freshly ground peppercorns. The reason I use pork for mixing is because I want this sausage to be like chunky texture. If I mash this with my hands, it will look like a processed sausage. I don't want that. See? Now it's done. And also I will form this into a sausage using this sushi. This is for sushi actually, for making maki, but I found it also easy to use if you're making a skinless sausage. So now we're in the process of forming the sausage using this sushi maker or maki maker. First, lay down the plastic cling wrap here against me. Yeah, like that. With this, put some of the pork mixture here. until it's full. Like that. And then with the other top. And then press it. Yeah. And then push here. There's a hole here to push this. And then there's another here, something somewhere in here that you can press so that the meat can push down. Like that. So now roll this. That easy. See? Now we have a skinless sausage. Nice. One more time. This one. This. Build it up with a pork sausage mixture. Press it down till it gets full. And then cover it with the top. Press it. Push it down. See, there's a hole here to push it down. And then this one, there's something to push in here to come out to meat. What if you don't have this mold? So what can you do? Do it manually, of course. So this is the manual. A bit hard, but can you do if you don't have the... So it's like you're wrapping a meat. And form it and roll it. So that's it. It's also easy. So it doesn't matter if you don't have that. Just like that. So not much difference. It's only the same size, you know. You can maintain the sizes, uniform sizes using the mold. Okay, ultra best. Another one without the mold again. Lay it down here. Roll it. Form it. That's it. That's it. They're the same. So that's it. You can make a sausage with or without onions. Okay. There you have it. Apple and onion pork sausage. And then store it in your freezer so you can have sausage anytime you like. How to cook this? In a little bit of oil or just grilled it in the oven. I will show you that later. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please don't forget to click the like, and you can give me a comment if you want, if you like my video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button